Hey there, everyone. It's Gigi Sober Sun. Straight reading, February 25th. AA Thought for the Day from the 24-Hour Day Book. Some people find it hard to believe in a power greater than themselves, but not to believe in such a power forces us to atheism. It has been said that atheism is a blind faith in the strange proposition that this universe originated in a cipher and aimlessly rushes nowhere. That's practically impossible to believe. I think we can all agree that alcohol is a power greater than ourselves. It certainly was in my case. I was helpless before the power of alcohol. Do I remember the things that happened to me because of the power of alcohol? Meditation for the day. The spiritual and moral will eventually overcome the material and unmoral. That is the purpose and destiny of the human race. Gradually, the spiritual is overcoming the material in our minds. Gradually, the moral is overcoming the unmoral. Faith, fellowship, and service are cures that for most of the ills of the world. There is nothing in the field of personal relationships that they cannot do. Prayer for the day. I pray that I may do my share in making a better world. I pray that I may be part of the cure for the ills of the world.